Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Are you stuck with the frustrating externally managed environment error while trying to run pip install on your Linux system? Don't worry. In this video, we'll dive straight into the fix with a clear step-by-step guide to get you back on track in no time. Let's troubleshoot this together. Before that, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Open up your browser and search for any tool which you want to test. In mine case I'll choose Stormbreaker. After secret, click on first link and scroll down. From under installation section, copy and paste the command one by one on your Kali terminal. This video is all about how to fix the error which is externally managed environment. I will choose desktop to install Stormbreaker. As you can see, Stormbreaker already installed in mine desktop. Now go to your Stormbreaker directory. And run install.sh command. Here you can see I get an error, externally managed environment. To fix it, we will try to install pip requirement.txt. Let's do it and see what's happened. Again we are getting the same error. Don't worry, in next step I will tell you how to fix it. To fix the error we need to create a virtual Python environment for that. Now open up your terminal and enter the command, then hit enter. As you can see, virtual env already installed in mine system. Now move to the desktop directory and create virtual Python environment using routers polite. You can see it's created on a directory on mine desktop. Now move to the routers polite directory. Then move to the routers polite env directory, from where we need to activate the routers polite. To do that, enter the command source bin/activate and hit enter. Now you can see the virtual Python environment is created successfully. Now again we back to the desktop directory under virtual environment and move to the tools we have downloaded before. Now we reinstall and set up the Stormbreaker in virtual environment. To do that, follow the screen. Copy and paste the command from GitHub to the terminal. It will take some time to install Stormbreaker. Now the final step is to install the Python pip requirement.txt. As you can see, this time the error are fixed and installed successfully. Now try to run the Stormbreaker, which is st.py. As you can see, the Stormbreaker tools working perfectly this time. If you have learned something, then don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.